Welcome back to Quiz Buzz. Today we're diving into one of the coolest challenges ever. Guess the logo sound. We've got awesome brand sounds ready for your ears. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's kick things off. First sound. McDonald's, I'm loving it. Which logo is this? Correct. It's TikTok. This logo sounds super familiar. That iconic sound belongs to Netflix. Bonus break. Time to chill for a sec. Pick your gift. Gift 1. Tap the like button. Tell Taco your favorite food in the comments. Taco will shout out 5 lucky fans in the next video. Also, hit subscribe and drop your all-time favorite Netflix movie below. This fizzy sound is super iconic. Yep, Coca-Cola. Do you recognize this one? You got it. Snapchat. What brand is this? That's Pepsi. Refreshing vibes. Quick question. Which one do you love more? Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Drop your pick in the comments. Do you recognize this one? That's right, Pringles. Can you guess the logo? Duolingo. Can you guess the logo? Cartoon Network. Little kids know this sound by heart. Cocomelon. Can you guess the logo? Wonderful. Xbox. Game on. Do you know this one?
Have it your way.
That's Burger King.
Have it your way.
Time to find the odd one out. Right here. Listen carefully. It's Squid Game. Does this sound familiar? Universal Pictures on the go. Try this one. Walt Disney. Moving on.
For a limited time.
Pizza, pizza.
For a limited time.
Pizza, pizza.
Pizza Little Caesars.
For a limited time.
Pizza, pizza.
For a limited time.
Have you heard this before? Discord gamers know that beat. Don't forget to hit like, smash subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss new games with Taco on Quiz Dude. Your next fun challenge is right on the screen. Tap it and keep the fun rolling.